Hello and welcome to the second video under programming in C language. Let us begin by defining a character string or a string constant. So a sequence of any number of characters that is enclosed under quotations are called character string or string constants. Now in a C code we use certain keywords such as /t that is used for tab, /n for a new line, /b for backspace, /quote for a quotation, and double slash for slash itself. A comment can be written under /* and //. A comment is ignored by the C program while executing. This is written for your own reference and for a neat and clean code when you have to show it to others to make them understand. Variable declaration. You must always declare the variable before using it. It can be done anywhere in the code, but remember to declare it before using it or you might get an error of variable not found. Now here is a simple code of printing hello world. Let's break it down. In the beginning we can see hashtag include $stdio.h greater than sign. This line is called a header. Every code has a header in the beginning. There are different types of header like stdio.h, which stands for standard input and output dot header. It is used when you need a simple input-output code, or math.h, which is used for higher mathematical calculations under a code. After that, we have main. Inside this is where you write your executable program. A block of code is written under curly brackets. There can be multiple blocks of codes. Now here is a simple line of code for printing hello world. Here printf is the function and hello world is the argument. Now as you can see here a /n, like I had mentioned before. Here after executing the code in the output, a line is left. So the code after printing hello world moves to the next line because /n was the keyword for a new line. Here is a simple code for the for statement. This code basically gives us the Fahrenheit Celsius table. So again, it begins with a simple header of standard input and output. Then we have main, and here you can see the use of the comment key /* and // Inside this, we have written the code, what is it about, like the Fahrenheit Celsius table. This will not be displayed in your output. This is only for your reference. Now again the block of code is enclosed under curly brackets. We have int var. Int is a keyword for integer, and after int var you can see a semicolon. Here we have declared the variable before using it. Then we have the for statement. When the for statement is found to be true, it is executed further, or else the program stops there. Here you see there is no semicolon after for, but there is a semicolon again after print. That is because semicolon indicates that that statement is complete there. But the for statement is not complete without the print statement. Hence, after the for, there is no semicolon. Another thing that you have to notice is that there is 5.0 by 9.0 instead of 5 by 9. Because under C program, if we put 5 by 9, it equates it to 0. Because 5 by 9 is not a whole number. Hence, we must give a decimal point over there so that it indicates that we want our answer to be in decimal too. Another thing you might notice is a %d and a %f. We use %d for integer and %f for float. Now there is a percentage 4d and percentage 6.1f. That is because we want the percent d, that is the integer, up to 4 numbers, and a percent f up to 6.1 decimal for a float. The C program also, you must note, works on the BODMAS rule. Moving on. Symbolic constants. You can always define your constants before the main for further use under the code anywhere. So the basic syntax for define is hashtag define or hashtag def with the variable name and then the value. Here we have used the same code to depict a different way of writing it. That is it for the a few programs that I've shown, so that it gives you an idea about the basic syntax and how the C program flow works. We'll be discussing many more things in detail in further in the upcoming videos. Thank you.